Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class, and today's topic for GK is Cricket ABC, chapter number 36. You all like to watch and play cricket. Let's learn about some terminology that is used in cricket. The first term that is used in cricket is appeal. The act of a bowler or fielder shouting at the umpire to ask if his last ball took the batsman wicket. It's called appeal. Next is arm ball. A deceptive delivery bowled by an off-spin bowler that is not a spun. So unlike the off break, it travels straight with the bowler's arm. It is called arm ball. Next is beehive. A diagram showing where a number of balls, usually from a particular bowler, have passed the batsman, is called beehive. Next term is bolt. It is a mode of dismissal. It occurs when a delivery hits the stump and removes the bails. Another terminology is bump ball, a delivery that bounces very close to the batsman after he has played a shot such that it appears to have come directly from the bat without ground contact, is said to be bump ball. Next term is clean bowled. Bowled without the ball first hitting the bat or pad is called clean bowled. Then dead ball. The state of play in between deliveries in which batsman may not score run or be given out is said dead ball. Then another term is hit wicket. A batsman getting out by dislodging the bails of the wicket behind him, either with his bat or body as he tries to play the ball or set off for a run. Next term is leg by. Extras taken after a delivery hits any part of the body of the batsman other than the bat or the gloved hands that hold the bat. If the batsman makes no attempt to play the ball with the bat, legs by may not be scored. Now it's time for Tell Me Now. Where do we call or what do we call an over in which no runs are scored? It is said to be maiden over. Maiden over where no runs are scored. Now that's all in the Cricket ABC. Let's move on to the next page, that is knowledge page. Why did the British government send Captain Matthew Flinders to Australia? Captain Matthew Flinders was one of the most successful navigator and map makers of his age. He was sent by British government to survey the coast of Australia and collect detailed information about the continent as well as explore possibilities of making a British colony. That's why the British government has sent Captain Matthew Flinders to Australia. Now, why is Shuttleworth unusual among goalkeepers? Josh Lewis. Shuttleworth is a footballer goalkeeper who is considered to be the greatest footballer from Paraguay. He is also one of the world's leading free kick specialists and often takes penalties. He has unusual talent as a goalkeeper. Why is the Santosh Trophy so popular in India? The Santosh Trophy in India's prestigious soccer tournament. It is named after late Maharaja Sir Manmat Nath Roy Chaudhary of Santosh, and who was the president of the Football Association. This tournament is not played at the club level. Instead, various Indian states and government institutions compete for the top honor. Why is Yuri Gagarin known as the Columbus of the cosmos? In 1961, a young cosmonaut became the first human ever to slip the bones of Earth. When his spacecraft roared skyward to usher in the age of human spaceflight, his name was Yuri Gagarin, and his place in history is secure as the first human being in space. Yuri was chosen to be the first group of Soviet cosmonauts. The name of the spacecraft was Vostok 1. It circled Earth at the speed of 27,400 km per hour. The flight lasted 108 minutes. His path took him over most of the inhabited world, and he was able to see signs of human activity as well as natural features like mountains and rivers. His flights made him as an international hero. He is referred to as the Columbus of the cosmos. So that's all for today. Thank you.